Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw Bruni the salamander from Frozen 2. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with his eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to make an oval shape like this, and I want to make sure it's nice and big. Now inside of here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come down to here. And then I'm going to draw another one of these right here. Now, starting right here, I want to make his nose. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to come down like this and kind of curve a little bit. Then, starting right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and it's going to come to a bump and then come down. And then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down for the other eye. Then starting here, you just want to make a little line that's going to curve up and then down. And then I'm going to make another one that does the same for the pupil. Now, starting right above this eye, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and then down like this for the eyebrow. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve from here to here. Now, starting right here where I left off on this line, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to go down underneath this eye, and then come high up here for like a little smile. And then I'm just going to curve this line back down to here. Then I'm going to curve this line up, I'm going to go down, and then I'm just going to curve this around and then come back to here. Then I'm just going to draw this line right to here. And then right here I'm just going to draw a little line down there for the tongue. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve like this, and it's going to come right to here for his cheek. And then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and in. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve to here. And then over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve out and then come right to there. Now, starting here, you want to make a line that goes in and then down for the arm. And then you want to make another line that goes out and then down like this. They're a little bit closer together up here and then farther apart down here. Now his toes are really easy. I'm just going to make a line that's going to go out and then curve in. And then I'm going to make one that goes down and up. Then another one that goes down and up. And then one more that goes down and then comes back to here. Then right here I'm just going to make a line that curves down for his other leg. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes down, and then it's going to curve around. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up here. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little curved line for his belly. And then his next leg is just going to go out and then come down a little bit. And then I'm just going to make those same toes, make one here, one down and up, another down and up, and then one more right there. Then this leg is going to be like these. They're bigger here and then skinnier as they get closer to the body. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes up, and then it's just going to curve in. Now, kind of following this curve of the body, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then out, kind of like an S shape. Then I'm just going to curve it around and then come right back here towards the body. Now, up here on his face, I'm just going to draw a little dot here and here for his nose. And then the last thing we want to do is we want to give him a little snowflake that he's catching. So the snowflake is really easy. I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to go down like this. And then I'm going to add a little kind of curved line down here. Going to make a little line that goes out and then comes to here, and then same thing on this side. And then we're just going to add some little kind of bumps on the ends of all of these. And you just want to kind of make these kind of at an angle. And there you go. There is your drawing of Bruni, the salamander from Disney's Frozen 2. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.